As AI systems become more sophisticated and able to analyze vast amounts of data, there is a risk that they could be used to monitor our behavior, track our movements, and collect sensitive personal information without our consent. Companies and organizations that use AI should be required to obtain explicit consent from individuals before collecting their data, and should be held accountable for any misuse of that data. Another concern with AI is the potential for these systems to exhibit biases in decision-making. This can occur when the algorithms used in AI are based on biased data or assumptions, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. To mitigate this risk, it is important to develop AI systems that are transparent and accountable. This means providing visibility into the data and algorithms that are used in these systems, and establishing clear standards for assessing the fairness and accuracy of their outputs. One of the challenges with AI is the difficulty of assigning accountability when something goes wrong. Because these systems are often complex and involve multiple stakeholders, it can be difficult to determine who is responsible for any negative outcomes that arise. Of course, as with any new technology, there are also potential downsides to the increased use of AI in our daily lives. One concern is that AI systems may be used to manipulate or deceive us, either through targeted advertising or by presenting us with biased information. There's also a risk that AI systems may be used to replace human workers, leading to job loss and economic disruption. As we move forward into a future that is increasingly defined by AI, it is important to consider both the potential benefits and the potential risks of these technologies. By doing so, we can work to ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical manner that benefits society as a whole. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our daily lives and the global economy, it is important for individuals to understand both the opportunities and challenges that this technology presents. On one hand, AI has the potential to create new jobs and opportunities in a variety of industries, while on the other hand, it may also lead to job displacement and economic disruption.